A very good morning, students. Today we will continue with lesson number 5 of your grammar book, that is adjectives. Exercise work we will do today. And first, I want to remind you that what is adjective? Adjective are describing words, as you can see in very first line that adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. And adjectives must be placed near the nouns they describe. And the types of adjectives we have gone through yesterday's are the adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, distributive adjectives, and interrogative adjectives, and here possessive adjectives. So based on all these adjectives, we have the questions. That the first question is here: complete the following with suitable adjectives. The first question here given is complete the following with suitable adjectives, and first is already done for us, and that is I like films which are funny. I like films which are funny. Funny here is adjective. Second, I don't like sentimental films. I like films which are funny, but I don't like sentimental films. Likewise, the second one is given. I like a dress which kind of dress you like, you have to mention. And as you know that adjectives are describing words, so we have to describe which kind of dress you like. So I like a dress which is traditional, you can write. And next is here what you can write: traditional. And next one, I don't like a dash dress. I don't like a heavy dress. You can write here, I don't like a heavy dress. Third one, I like people who are honest. I like people who are honest. Adjective you can use over here is honest. And second sentence is I don't like dash people. It means selfish people. Nowadays nobody likes the selfish one. So you can write I don't like selfish one. Selfish people. Now see the second one. This question 4, 5, 6. Try to do by your own, students. B1, what it is given, the question, choose an adjective that suits the explanation. Choose an adjective that suits the explanation. Here the options are given. You can see as the options are given here. The first question, furniture made of wood. Furniture made of wood, what you can say, that is wooden. A story full of humor is humorous. Like third one, a boy without fear is fearless. A person with energy is energetic. Here you can see energetic. Now the next, try to do by your own. Now the next question, C, is form adjectives by using suitable suffixes. Suffixes means the words that you can use after the letter which you can use after the words which is given here. Like here adventure is given as an adjective. We have to use suitable suffixes here to complete the adjectives. We have to form an adjective here by using suitable suffixes. Suffixes here, it means the words which we can add at the end of the given word. So first one is adventure. In adventure, what you have added here? Adventurous. It means OUS you have added, and in place of you have to remove E, and in place of E you have to add OUS. So what it will become? Adventurous. Second is affection. Second, what it is given? Affection. So for affection you have to form an adjective, and this affection will become affectionate. ate is the suffixes here. Likewise, beauty. For beauty we can add beautiful. For fun, funny. Like here, peace is given, just we have to add ful, full suffixes, to complete the words. Taste, tasty. After removing this e, we will add y to it. So likewise, you have to complete all these words. Now student, the PDF of this you will get tomorrow itself. See the D1. Fill in the blanks with adjective forms of the words given in brackets. Fill in the blanks with adjective forms of the words. The words here it is given, and you have to fill the blanks with adjective forms. So word here is attract given, the first one. The jewelry in the shop is. Attract is given, and you have to complete this like here we have to do in the previous question. Suitable suffixes, likewise we have to complete this by using suitable suffixes. Okay, so first one, the jewelry in the shop is dash. Attract is given in the bracket, and you have to add attractive, ATTRACTIVE. So the jewelry in the shop is attractive. Second, the child is hunger given. We can't write hunger as it is because we have to change this into adjective one. So the child is hungry. It's not hunger, it will become hungry. Likewise, third one, Anusha is dash of her beauty. In bracket, pride is given, but we can't say pride here, so this pride will change into proud. Anusha is proud of her beauty. Now students, let's come to E1. Form opposites of the following adjectives using prefixes. Now in C1 we have seen suffixes. Now here suffixes means the words which we can add at the end of the given words, and here prefixes means which we can add at the first. Like tidy is given here, that tidy become untidy. So what we have added here, you can see un, that is un, so it becomes untidy. So prefixes, it means in front of the words we have to add. Like tidy it is given, it means we have added here as a prefixes un, so untidy. Like pleasant is given, so unpleasant. Married for married, unmarried. Safe, unsafe. Wise, unwise. Like try to do it by your own. Now I would like to come to the next question, that is F1. Fill in the blanks with the opposite of the words underlined. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the words underlined. You can see the first one, a river is deep but a pond is. Here deep is the word given, and we have to write here the opposite of that deep for completing this sentence. So a river is deep but a pond is. The opposite of deep is what, student? Shallow. Second one, the sweets are not fresh, they are stale. The opposite of fresh is stale. Third one, the tank was empty. Now it is opposite of empty is full. Full, full. Likewise, the fourth one, great people are not proud, they are humble. The great people are not proud, but they are humble. Likewise, try to do the next by your own. Now come to G question. G is what? The question here is given. Fill in the blanks with the words given. So here the words are given, and as you can see in the option it is given. In the box what it is given, the articles a, an and the are adjectives. Sometimes the articles that we have learned in the previous chapter, previous lesson is articles, and a, an and the, if we are using, that is also adjectives. So here see the first question what it is given, there isn't dash milk in the house, and we have to find out the answer from the options given here. So there isn't any milk in the house. Here n apostrophe t, it means not. There is not any milk in the house. Second one, there was dash rain this year. There was sufficient rain. This is the second one. Like third one, I have read dash books on this subject. I have read many books on this subject. Fourth, how dash money do you want? How much money do you want? Now see the H students. H question is given. Fill in the blanks with the question words what, which or whose. This is an interrogative adjectives. The questions we have to form by using what, which or whose. And see the first one what it is given, dash color is the sky. What you have to use, what, which or whose. So what color is the sky? Second, dash house is yours. Dash house is yours. Which house is yours? Third, dash book is this. Like in the class every time you people used to ask this question, whose book is this? Whose bottle is this? Whose water bottle is this? Whose pencil is this? So this one is very easy. Whose book is this? Like fourth one, dash color is your car. Which color is your car? So in first one, what? Second, which house is yours? Third, whose book is this? Then fourth, which color is your car? Fifth, which color? Why we are using which? Because we have many options that which color, red, white, gray. Like which color is your car? Like fifth one, dash pen is yours. So there are many pens and they have to choose any one. So for an option, if we are having many options, we can write which. Which pen is yours? Now I1, I is what? Change the following as shown. This room is ours. First is this room is ours. So that becomes this is our room. This is our room. Like second one, this car is theirs. So this is their car. Change the following as shown means first one is already done for us and we have got a kind of hint that how we have to change the sentence. So like first one, this room is ours. We have changed this sentence into this. This is our room. Like the second one, this car is theirs. So this is their car. Third one, these books are mine. These are my books. These are my books. Likewise, you have to do the next two. Now come to the next topic. The topic is given here is adjectives. That is degree of comparison. In degree of comparison, when we compare two nouns. Like if I am taking an example of large. Large is an adjective. So, in comparative adjective, we can write larger as we are comparing. Larger than. Okay. When we compare more than two nouns, we use superlative adjectives. When we compare two nouns like large and largest, it is larger than that. So we are using comparative adjectives, that is larger, and superlative adjectives is largest. So these are the questions given as you can see in the J1. So listen the first one what it is here. Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world, and in the option it is given high. Here students, how we can understand that which form of an adjective like comparative or superlative we have to use. Remember this, if the is given in front of the blank, before the word, before the blank, if the is given, you have to use superlative adjectives, and superlative adjective it means high, higher, highest. Okay, higher is the comparative one and highest is the superlative one. So first one, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. So what will be answer? Highest. Second one, a wise enemy is dash than a foolish friend. Now you can see good is here is an adjective. Now good, better, best. Better is comparative one and best is superlative. So here student, good. Now how you will know that which kind of adjective we have to use here, comparative or superlative? Like here I have given you one hint. I have said you that in the first one that if the is given before the blank, you have to use what? Superlative adjectives. And after the blank, if then is given, it means the comparison we have to do. We are doing here the comparison, a kind of comparison we are doing. And if this is like this in the sentence, if in the fill-up, you can see then after the fill-up, then comparative adjectives you will use. And what will be the comparative degree of this good? Which one? Good, better, best. So better. What will be the answer? Better. Like as I said you that after this blanks, then we used, it means we have to use this comparative adjective. Now see the third one. Hydrogen is dash than any other gas. Lighter is given and we know this, light, lighter and lightest. So and then is given. So which kind of degree we will use here? Comparative one. And in comparative one, light will become lighter. So likewise, just try to do it by your own. Now K, what it is given in K? Rewrite the sentence in the positive degree using not, as, like see, as and as. Like we used to say as well as soon as. So likewise we have to use by using not to that positive degree. Positive degree means without not. The question is given and we have to use not and as here blank is given. It means we have to fill the blanks with some word. Like first one is done. John is taller than Tom. The sentence become here, Tom is not as tall as John. Here not we are using and as not using and as also. And if blank is given, I said that we have to fill some word over here, adjective. So Tom is not as tall as John. Second one, honey is sweeter than sugar. The sentence will become like this. Sugar is not as sweet as honey. So the sentence become here, second one, sugar is not as sweet as honey. Now after this student, come to L. L is what? Rewrite the following sentences in the comparative degree without changing the meaning. Means the meaning will be same and we have to rewrite the sentence which is given in the comparative degree. So the first one is done for us and the question is first. Raghu is not as intelligent as Ram. We don't have to change the meaning of the sentence, just we have to do in the comparative degree. So what we have done, Ram is more intelligent than Raghu. What we have used, Ram is more intelligent than Raghu. The meaning here are same. The second one, Delhi is not as big as Mumbai. So you can write Mumbai is bigger than Delhi. Everywhere you have to use this then as comparative degree we have to use. Likewise, you have to do it by your own. You will get PDF tomorrow, student. Now see the next topic, adjectives with infinitive. Adjective with infinitive, it means some adjectives take an infinitive after them. It means complete the following adjectives with infinitives. It means we have to do, and with that we have to use some words. Like first M1, complete the following sentences with adjectives plus infinitives given in the box. So first see, it is dash English. So we have to use the options given here in the blanks. So it is easy to learn. We can use this as first one, that is easy to learn. It is easy to learn English. Likewise, the second one, I am dash you. I am dash you. I am pleased to see you. I am pleased to see you. Third one, the children are dash on a picnic. The children are excited to go on a picnic. Fourth one, I would be dash you for lunch. I would be delighted to join. I would be delighted here. Third one, I would be delighted to join. So these are the adjectives, that is disappointed, necessary, nice, difficult, surprised, and with that you have used infinitive. And with infinitive also, infinitive means to plus some words are there, as you can see here, learn, go, know, have. So like this the words you have to use. Students, next question is N, and read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. It is given in each and every lesson we are having this passage. So student, this time I am giving you this as homework. Try to do it by yourself and see whether you have done correctly or not after getting the PDF. So this is your homework. Now O1 is what? This will be also your homework, as the question is given. Read the information below and write sentences about each of them. The first one is done for you. You can see in the box the information is given, and we have to change this information in the passage. Means sentences we have to write by looking all those information. Like in first box it is given name of the person or name of a student, I can say is Amar, and age 11, height tall, build strong, appearance round face, brown eyes, and qualities, that is fair complexion, well dressed, long nose, small mouth, curly hair, intelligent, charming. Likewise, and after this one, here you can see a passage. Sentences are formed by using those information. So first one is given, Amar is 11 years old, he is tall and strong, he has a round face. Likewise, you have to make a sentence. Now see the second one, student. What is in the second box? It is given name Mona, age 12, height short. So after reading, after going through this information, you can make a sentence, and that sentence will be like this. Mona is 12 years old. She is short and slim. She has oval face and black eyes, or her eyes are black. She has a short nose, wide mouth, and wavy hairs. She has a dark complexion. Like this, you have to complete this second and third one. Now, last one also we have every time in the lesson. At the end of the lesson, that is, let's talk, role play this dialogue with your partner. You can practice this with your friend or anybody at your home. Like shopkeeper and customer, you will be the shopkeeper, and to whom you are practicing, that will be the customer. So prepare or practice this dialogue, sorry, not prepare, practice this dialogue with your partner. So here I have completed the explanation of these lesson, that is adjectives, and tomorrow you will get the PDF of this lesson. Thank you, students.